Welcome to the CryptoNest. Good news for Canadians. Well, today was inflation rate year to year. So the forecast was 4.5, previous was 4, and we're actually at astonishing 3.8. This is going to skyrocket the motivation of Canadians because next week, I believe it's the 25th. Let me go and check here. Where is it? 25th. Yeah, Bank of Canada interest rate decision. I am not sure. The forecast, they say we're going to increase by a quarter. I honestly don't believe so now because, everybody's struggling as well in here. So I don't see how it would justify increasing another quarter when inflation considerably went down, right? Even way below, well, not way below, but they thought it would be around 4.5, would be even higher, and then we want much lower than the previous month. So that's amazing. All right, now let's talk about Mrs. or Mr. Solana. All right, so once again, Solana, it's fighting hard. I did tell you, it starts to be unlikely now that this wave 4 is going to work out. Ideally, I don't know what happened here. I don't know what happened. Okay, so let me take the full screen here. So ideally, we didn't want the price to break this trend, right? It would have been a very nice textbook, kind of diagonal, perfect, but no, he couldn't do it like that, right? He had to do his difficult and break the trend and now make what the hell a higher high compared to the third one, to the third wave. So now if I go back on the 4 hours, we see that we just barely, with the saga of yesterday, the drama, honestly, we managed to do a higher high. So technically this could be enough for a fifth wave, because once again, the job of the fifth wave is just to make a new higher high compared to the third wave. Now, if I want to be more positive, maybe I can draw, actually it does work out pretty bend on, right? Here, and if I'm being a little bit creative, I can say maybe that we have a trend here. So look at that, almost like the render video I just made. So that could be another bull flag maybe, and yeah, trend continuation, right? So we're having also this MA50 on the 1 hour that can help us out and act as a support. We actually are bend on, kind of, on the 1.618. That was for the third wave, I believe. Let me double check here. Yeah, so wave 1 to wave 2. So this is the third target. The target for the third wave, ideal target. And once again, let's not forget, let me extend this this trend now here. And we can see that ideal target would be near or somewhere below $27. So it's still possible to go here, but well, you need to do it now, because otherwise this this impulsive movement is not there. We're having a diagonal, it's taking forever. Okay, it's a fourth wave, so a lot of time fourth wave are long and boring. Now let me go on the daily and let's see this mess here. I know that people complain about my charts sometimes, but everything is there, right? So we had the wave 1, did a nice retracement, fair enough. We did a third wave, 1.618. Now the fourth one, I did stretch it a little bit, but honestly, I did that because we do have the MA200 and it acted as a support and coincide exactly to the 0.618 fib retracement of the third wave here, so it's relevant. We don't have, up to now anyway, a sustainable candle or price action below the 0.5. As you can see, actually we don't have at all a closed candle below the 0.5. So technically I can take out the 0.6 and then it does work perfect, right? So we manage the maximum retracement a wave 4 can go. We wick out at the maximum to just touch the MA200, and who knows, maybe this is the power the MA200 gave us, transfer some energy. Let me see the indicators here. So yeah, so we're so near, right? So we could also go a little bit higher. Momentum, we start to gain back some momentum. We just need a few candle green in momentum, a little bit higher in the RSI, and yeah, we're in business, right? So let me calculate what would be ideal gain from this present moment to reach the, let me move around here, man, seriously. Okay, so ideally we need 13% to reach the $27. Honestly, you know, maybe I'm too easygoing, but $26, $25, it's good enough for me. So let's say another 8 to 10, 13%. We can have a nice 5-way up into this diagonal. After that, my friends, time to take some profits. Hopefully you did took a little bit here, or you're taking some profits now. And remember, I am still bearish. So, and if this is the third and this is the fourth, you know, you should maybe consider to put sell-stop limit, because if it just is an A, B, and a C, and actually this is the one. Actually, no, actually, I have a great news, guys, because we did this higher high here. This, let me take the brush now. This cannot be a 1 and a 2 because the 2 retraced too much, so invalidate discount. So at least we have good news. So I need to say I'm a little bit more bullish than I was yesterday before the fake news. And yeah, so okay, so I am more positive now. We should really maybe expect or anyway see if actually Solana can give us that fifth wave, a better one, a more convincing one, I should say. All right, so this is pretty much all for Solana. So once again, I'm expecting now officially, you know, I'm just going to say it, I'm going to put myself out there, higher price. So yeah, maybe 25.50 would be something reasonable that Solana should do, unless there is something drastic happening. Then yeah, I believe he can do it. He should do it. But let's see tomorrow, or let's say Friday. Let's talk about again Friday. I would make an update until unless, you know, we reach $27, then no, everybody's happy, and yeah, that after that we can start to plan for maybe a buyback eventually, at what level we can get back into Solana. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Not that too long, below 10 minutes, so that's good for me. All right, so hopefully you enjoyed the video. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.